about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.
Either my hat's crooked or my head's crooked. Hello! Welcome to today's video. We are in a rush. Why are we in a rush, Carter?
What?
Why are we rushing?
So we can play in the snow.
So we can play in the snow. Okay.
Which?
Hold on. Let us get in the car. We'll tell you more. Seatbelt.
Check.
Not check. Hard to do with one hand.
Almost check.
Okay. Seatbelt check. Who is motion sick yet? Raise your hand. For my cameraing. Okay, we are on our way. Our battery is low. We may end up filming with our phone. We are on our way to Walmart because we are supposed to get a big snowstorm. I don't know how many inches. I didn't pay attention, but it's supposed to be big. And Carter here has no snowshoes and no snow gloves. Nothing, okay? So we're determined to play in the snow. The last time it snowed was a couple days ago, but we were both sick, so that was a no-go. But we're both healthy and ready to go today. So
we're both vitamin
up, immune system up. We are going to go get some things to play in the snow. We need boots, gloves, and
another pair of boots.
Sorry, I was distracted. Boots, gloves, and a sled, preferably, because we don't even have a sled.
Yes.
Carter, would you like to tell them the story about the last time we tried to go sledding?
The last time we tried to go sledding, we did it with a
Boogie board.
boogie board.
Did it work?
It didn't work so well. We tried down the slide. It worked, but
Oh my gosh, it's snowing so hard that way. I don't like to drive in the snow, guys.
But it didn't work out so well.
This could be a terrible idea. There's 2 ambulances out. Should we take that as a warning? We're trudging forward.
We're going forward. Okay, we are in Walmart. We are, ooh, I like the shoes. We're in the shoe section. And we're gonna look for some snow boots. What? I like these shoes.
Carter kind of loves shoes, so he's very hard to look for shoes with because he gets easily distracted by different shoes. Focus on the task. We did good. There was no snow the whole way here. We hit a little patch, but it went away. This looks like our option. Snobby Snobberson is not going to like them, but we're going to make it work. Your shoe right now.
Ah!
I'm going to have to take it off. I don't know what size shoe he wears, so I'm holding his foot up to figure it out. I can't remember what size you wear.
Ow!
He wears a 2.
Oh my gosh, I was so good.
Okay. No, why would you put your shoe back on? You have to try them on. He put his shoe back on when he has to try the shoes on. Show him to the camera.
Whoa!
Fashion show.
Whoa!
Shake the foot around. Shake it around. Shake it around. We found the shoes. They're a size 3. He wears a size 2, but I figure if we layer up the socks, it'll work. Now we have to find gloves. That shouldn't be as hard.
Shouldn't be that hard.
He doesn't think these will fit him. Keep looking.
They're perfect.
We made it back home just in time. It is snowing really hard now. Our camera died, so we're on the phone, but it was successful. We have the sled, we got the shoes, we got the gloves. Now all I have to do is wait for all this snow to stick. We'll go get you some before shots. Go inside so we don't freeze to death before it all sticks and gets really thick. Oh god, look at my hair.
I already have snow on me.
There's snow on the screen. Hopefully that goes well. It is the next day The snow did not come fast enough last night. I can't see the screen. Can you see it?
I can barely see
I can't see it through my sunglasses at all. So, it's the next day. Last night the snow did not come quick enough for us to be able to play in it. But baby, she coming now. It is very deep and it is here now. So we are going to go throw snowballs, make a snowman, sled, and try not to fall.
Bye. Gosh, that's not good.
Go Carter Snowy.
I'll go sled down the hill.
Carter's first sled of the year.
Probably go.
Oh my god, my legs are so sore.
I'll probably
Okay,
go
hold
hit
on.
the tree.
I'll hold it for you.
I'm probably gonna hit the tree.
Okay, sit down on it. See the little spots for your hand?
I promise you don't get hit
Wait,
the tree.
hold your feet. Keep your feet down. Don't let yourself go yet. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't freak out. Go! How'd that go?
Oh, good. I almost hit a tree.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. You gotta stay on. Oh god. Get it! Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go all the way down there. Go get it! So that would have been a really good sleigh ride if he was on it. We forgot to put the dog up, so she's gonna be barking most of this. Sorry. How'd that go, Carter? The sleigh had a good time, you just weren't on it.
Well, we're about to try it.
Oh, it's slick. The goal is to not hit the tree, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop! Oh gosh! I'm falling.
Air!
What?
I got air!
Oh my gosh! Let me try. I fell down and stopped.
There's a stump there that I forgot about. Okay. Let's give a little bit of context. I forgot there's a tree stump. My butt found it. Oh, I went into the air. Okay, let's start below the tree trunk. We have a swing set. We have a swing set with a slide. And just about every time we sleigh ride, for some reason we think it's a good idea to ride the sled down the slide. And Carter's feeling gutsy. I'm no longer feeling gutsy because my tailbone is sore. Alright, 30 is officially the age where one sleigh ride is enough. I'm so scared. Do you feel like this is a good idea? I don't feel like it's a good idea, Carter.
Okay.
Hold on, wait.
Oh my god!
Okay, go.
Oh, that's that cold.
Okay, here, right. Look at me. Look at me. Keep him up, keep him up. Carter can't stay upright. There you go. Here's a funny story, Carter. We'll be talking about our green tree. Carter was trying to tell his friends how much snow we had. Mia! I'm trying to tell a story! Sorry. Was trying to tell his friends how much snow we had. He said, we have this house we said we have this tree at our house that's green, and now it's white. Like, the fact that we have a green tree was amazing. So he woke up this morning and I said, Carter, we have this grass outside and it's white now. Go, go, go. He cannot move for the fact that snow is so deep. Carter, are you getting frostbite yet? Are you getting frostbite yet? Okay, go for it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Backwards. Did you get a little scared? We're very foggy from where it just came in from the cold.
Down low, up high, down low, up
Okay,
high, down low, up high.
we're inside now. Like I said, we don't last very long playing in the snow. Because Carter's a little bit of pansy about how cold it is, aren't you?
Yes.
He got it from his mother. We didn't get to make a snowman, so we just decided to film the last cliff with There he is. That is it though. Today was a short video. It was just something fun we wanted to do real quick. We've both been sick. I was sick the week before Christmas. Carter and me both got sick the week after Christmas, so we haven't done a video in a while, have we?
No.
So, fun little video. We're freezing to death. We're both going to take nice, warm showers and then eat something because I'm starving. Are you hungry? Never hungry. I'm starving. So showers, food, keep our lungs inside of our body. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Come back.
Bye-bye.
Hasta la vista.